Hey, Evan, I just wanted to review a couple of things on here for you. This is the Arnold adult closets. I cloned her closet, and what I really wanted to talk about was the island that you had drawn in the a double 18-inch island with drawers all the way around. And what you have to understand with the drawers is you lose so much on the sides of the drawers and this centerpiece in here. You're losing a good 2 inches across here. So 18-inch drawers, 36 inches plus two is 34. We can come up with almost the same thing by going in and using a 30-inch wide section. So you're only losing like maybe 3, 4 inches inside the drawers. But what we're really doing is cutting a lot of cost out. We only have the drawers on there. And because you have the drawers on the back wall, that's quite a few drawers. I moved the hamper to the back side of the island and then put another drawer up above. If we need to, we can make one of those a jewelry drawer. It's kind of up to you what you want to do. But this gives her quite a few drawers. So then I just made a section in here in case somebody wants to hang pants long or shorter shirts, can go up above. But there's a trick I want to show you when we get into the props that I don't think you might not know or remember, but we have the ability to, when we're going in, I'm going to change the props to long hang, just put them in as black. If I hold the shift key as I'm clicking, it fills the whole row. And then this one is set where I can do the 30-inch top up above, and it's going to be used for crop tops, camis, that type of things. And usually these all go together. Once again, I just shift clicked to place everything across there, and you're filling up the whole space really fast. The I kind of question what you were doing on this side at 12 inches deep. If that's going to be folded clothes, they really don't fit on the 21-inch shelf. For her, maybe two sweaters would fit side by side, depending upon how big she is. But usually I look for that as being a 24-inch shelf. The 21 3/4 is actually a good shoe size. Should hold 3 pairs of shoes. Well, maybe not the dress shoes, but if we go to other shoes, you'll see we can put 3 pairs of shoes wide. The dress shoes and the props, I think, are bigger than what real life is. Normally, you can fit women's shoes in 7 inches, especially if you do one toe in, one and then one heel out. That actually jams up them a little bit closer. Plus, they get to see what the heel looks like, and they get to see what the toe looks like. So you're seeing both sides of the shoe. Yeah. Same thing here. If you're going in and placing this on the 24-inch wide, you definitely get 3 pairs of shoes wide on this shelf. And super easy to go back in. And so then you can just go in and change colors really easily when you're putting it on around. This 15-inch shelf that's left over here might be good for more folded clothes. Look and see what you're doing back here. Yeah, 24. So these are folded clothes. This could be, take some of the shelves out of there. You could also put purses on that space. Anyway, hope this helps. I will talk to you later.